Assalamu alaikum viewers, hope you all are fine. I am again back to the channel. Today I will show you what's new in the Canva. There are a lot of things new in the Canva, and we will discuss one by one in my upcoming videos. Today I will show you how you can adjust your image in mockup videos. Let's start our video. The Canva homepage, go to apps. Here you can search mockup. Here we go. Choose in new design and select the customize size, and I put 59201080. Create new design. This is the all on the previous one, and this element is the new one videos. And now in Canva we can put images in our videos. See all, and select any video whatever you want or whatever your client need. Here I have to select this one, or this one. I select this video and okay, click on here and I expand this to the whole screen so that you can easily view what I am doing. This is a video. Here is a mug and the steam is coming out from the mug. Now I want to put my image over there. So here I have a image of image, and I want to put it here on the mug. It will take 30 seconds to 1 minute to put the image on the mug. Or look here, the image is pasted. Now I will go to edit and adjust my image. Here it is. I will adjust it over here. You can fit and fill like this and fit like this. But I have to, you can use mod crop as well, but I have to use like this. And now I want to change the color of the mug. Here we go. We can select the color of your own choice. I will select the color of this one and apply changes. Okay, look, this is the final result. Hope you like my video. If you like my video, subscribe my channel and share my videos. Inshallah, we will meet in my next video with a new tip. Allah Hafiz till my next video.